Hey guys, I'm playing Minecraft right now. It's the new world. And so new worlds can always be filled with stuff. So let's go. So I'm just walking around, but we need some wood. Okay, I'm gonna walk back here. Okay, that was like a sprint. So we need some wood. Okay, so we got some wood in here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 should be about enough. Now, next thing we need is fruit. A cherry tree. Let's first make a bucket. So I'm going to make a pick and everything, so I'm just going to speed up the video. Okay, so I cut the video, and I do have a bucket right now. So that's the cherry tree. And this is my bucket. So I'm just going to speed the video up. Okay. I think that should be enough. So now I just need to build a house. So I'll leave this here and wait for when it's time. No, take it. This. Oh, beautiful cherry. So beautiful. Let's build the house. So I'm just going to build like a tree house, and yeah. Stay. Okay, there we go. It's a nice house. Let's go inside because I can kind of see that it's getting a little dark. So let's go. Okay, let's go in. So I got the bucket right there. Okay. So let's just stay here for the night. I'm going to build a big house tomorrow. Yeah, let's just wait. I'm going to speed up the video right now. Because the sun's going down, it might take a while. And it is literally dawn right now. Because it's getting morning. So, let's do this. So, let's build a new house. So I'm going to get some more wood and then I'm going to speed up the video. Okay, so see ya. Oh, by the way, this is the sound. Okay. So I think I'm ready. I got a nice bed. So that's it for this video. I'll show you what's going to happen next to the next day. Bye.